Hey, my little artists, today we're going to make a monster, but not just any monster. We're going to make a monster using the letter X. And I know you all know how to draw the letter X, okay? So let's get started, all right? Okay, we're going to start with the letter X at the kind of towards the top of our page. And please remember, yours does not need to look exactly like mine. Each and every monster looks different, just like each and every fingerprint looks different. So don't focus on what mine looks like. Okay, then from here to here, we're going to connect those lines. It kind of looks like a bow, doesn't it? Okay, and then right down here, this is where you're going to decide. Do you want one eye on your monster, two eyes on your monster, three eyes on your monster? I think I might do three eyes. So I'm going to put them right here, all three. And I'm putting lines in between on the eyes. Okay, and those are my three eyeballs. Okay, and then from here clear around, I'm going to draw an oval. Let me show you this, just like this. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to kind of make it look furry around that oval. Okay, and then you know how on the end when you have an arrow, you have like, it looks like kind of the first part of a triangle pointing that way and then that way. That's what we're going to do. Then we're going to connect them. And then on top, you're going to put your teeth. And again, you can put as many or as few teeth as you would like, because this is your monster. Now on top here, okay, I'm going to kind of make curved lines because this is going to be my horns right here. Okay, and then from right here, do you see where the X meets? Then right next to it on the other side, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to take it around and down, and this is going to be an arm. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, you can't see it all. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Then on the bottom of those arms, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make as many claws as you want, because you know what? Monsters don't have the same amount of fingers as we do. So it's our monster. We can make it how we want. And then right here, I'm going to make a curved line. That's going to be the monster's big old belly. And then right down here, I'm going to take and make like a rectangle. Those are his legs. And then if you want to, you can kind of point outwards, okay, kind of like a teardrop shape, and then you're going to do the same amount of claws you did on your hands on your feet. But hey, you know what? If you don't want your monster to have the same amount, no big deal. Just make it yours. So if I want to, I can go back and add fur, or some monsters have scales. I could go back and add little U's over and over and over, and that would be his scales. Can you see that? So this is your monster. Then you could go back in and color him. Make him whatever color you want it to be. So I'm going to finish my monster and then come back and show you. All right, guys, here's my finished monster, and I added a little tree in the background and some grass, so you can add anything you want to add. Okay, so that's my little monster, and I want to see your monster. So take a picture and post them. All right, can't wait to see them. Talk to you soon. Keep creating.